up, you guys? It's your girl Heidi, and I'm back with another video. So today, I'm just naming the songs that I have right off guard. Yeah. Let's get started. I can't even break my cheese, so I'm also eating Lunchable. Minty Sparkle. Grape Supreme. And Unicorn Frappuccino. Peace.